Lake Sandbar, 4th of July, getting ready to head out. It's about noon. Had a little bit of drama yesterday. It was the first time we went on the boat, and I found out that I didn't winterize the heater fully. So the heater core, which is behind the subwoofers under the dash, froze, and evidently when I drove it from the boat launch over there to our slip right here, it filled the ski locker with like 400 or 500 gallons of water. It was full of water. The problem with that is our ski locker is full of all the batteries for the stereo and starting, as well as like some relays and stuff for switching the batteries automatically. So when I went to hit the key, it wouldn't start, and then I jumped it off the stereo battery, so that was fine, but it started flushing more water in, and I couldn't figure out what the deal was. Finally, it dawned on me, so I had to bypass the heater, just put some plugs in it, drain the bilge, obviously, and then my start battery, which I think is the original battery for this boat, is dead. So I replaced it this morning, so a little bit of a late start, but still pretty stoked. It's a Torch Lake Sandbar on the 4th of July. I didn't have anybody with me this year. Like Kirby wasn't around and my buddy Todd wasn't out, so I didn't really feel like comfortable walking around. So I flew the drone and just kind of hung out on the boat, but now we wait to get back into the marina.